Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix your Steam library after moving it to a different drive. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the window. Click on Steam and from the menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up the Settings panel where you can manage various aspects of your Steam installation. In the Settings window, look at the left panel and click on Storage. This section is crucial because it shows you all the drives where Steam can store your games. Here's where you'll verify that Steam recognizes your new drive location and can properly access your moved game files. Now, click the drop-down menu at the top of the storage section. This will display all the currently recognized Steam library folders. Take a moment to verify that the new drive where you moved your games is listed as a Steam library. If you see it there, great, that means Steam already recognizes it. However, if it's not listed, you'll need to add it manually. To do this, click Add Drive. When you click Add Drive, a new window will open. Click the drop-down menu and select the folder containing your Steam library. This could be your D drive, E drive, or wherever you moved your games to. Once you've selected the correct location, click Add. This tells Steam that this drive is now an official storage location for your game library. Now that Steam knows where your games are located, you need to force it to detect the existing games. Head back to the upper left corner and click Library. This brings up your full list of games. In the left panel, look for any game that shows Install instead of Play. These are games that Steam doesn't realize are already downloaded. Click on one of these games, then click Install. Here's where the magic happens. Instead of downloading the entire game from scratch, Steam should automatically discover the existing files on your new drive and verify them. This saves you hours of download time and bandwidth. During the verification process, Steam checks that all the game files are intact and properly configured. When the installation window appears, make sure to select the newly added drive that you configured earlier, then click Install. Steam will now scan the folder, recognize your existing game files, and complete the setup without re-downloading everything. And that's it, you've successfully reconnected your Steam library after moving it to a different drive. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.